Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock Motorola smartphone face unlock step by step. This method is simple and works on all Motorola devices, so watch the video till the end. First of all, power your phone. For power off, press volume down key and power key together. When the phone power, release only the power key and keep press the volume down. Scroll down, volume down key, recovery mode and select power key. Now press the power key, then volume off. Scroll down, whip data factory reset, select power key, factory data reset. Reboot system now. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.